Parami tayong viewers. Thank you. Sunny days. Every can you stand the rain? Collect na ba tayo boosting gloves? Sino po meron? Team Ricey. Let's go, Tappers! Can you stand the rain? Hello, guys! Sige, wait lang tayo siguro mga 5 minutes. Hi, I'm Liv, Ma'am Jen. Hello po, Ma'am Jen. Good evening. At sa inyo lahat. At sa lahat ng mga tappers natin. Body who stand by me through the good. Hi, Ma'am Kate. Once again kay Ma'am Kate, thank you so much sa gift. Ang ganda. Hi, DJ Angela. Everybody loves him. Tell me, can you stand the rain? Let's go, Tappers! Powered up tayo, guys. Share my live. Ilan na ang shares natin? 14. Nako, Vietnam. Malakas ang Vietnam, no? Asian. Ma'am Divina ko is here, yes! Andito si Ma'am Divina. Ma'am, magandang gabi. Soneng. Team Ricey, attendance check tayo. Sa lahat ng mga Team Ricey, comment hashtag Ricey. Absent si Boss B. Not sure if si Boss Snipe makakapag-ano sa atin or si sino ba? O si Boss B. Pero sana andito sila mamaya. Madami na ba boosting gloves? Sino po ba dito merong boosting gloves na from last live fest? Hi, Asian. Baka may mga request kayo, guys. Pero pwede rin tayong mag-ano muna. Wala na? Sige, tingnan natin. Hi, Circus. Meron tayong 100 Team Ricey tonight. Expired na yon. I'm the boss. Hello po. Sa lahat ng mga subscribers natin, sige, try na natin kanta lang tayo isa. Tapos, si Ate Jonah, since naka-live, ano pa siya? Mistletoe. Kanta lang tayo isa, tapos nakapag-rest na po. Hi, Min! Eto si Min, oh. Thank you, Min. Okay naman, bagsak talaga ako. Kasi parang mga 3 hours yung tulog ko. Kasi parang 3 hours yung biyahe namin pabalik. Tapos natulog pa ako ng 1 hour. So parang 4 hours talaga ako nag-sleep. So ito, Christmas song muna tayo. Good evening, guys! It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights through the streets spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'll be under the Let's go, Tappers! PK natin tonight, Team Ricey. Kailangan natin mag 1 million taps. Ooh, with you, under the mistletoe. Share the live, guys. Tap, tap. Everyone's gathering around the fire. Chestnut roasting like a hot July. I should be playing with my folks, I know, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. Word on the streets and it's coming tonight. Rain is flying through the sky so high. I should be making a list, I know, but I'll be under the mistletoe with you. Shawty with you, with you. Shawty with you, with you. Under the mistletoe. Talunin ng shadow band. You, shawty with you. You, Jericho. Parang hindi ko po alam yung wildflower, ha? Under the mistletoe. Once again, guys, good evening to everybody and welcome to my stream. It's Ricey from the Philippines. And in 35 minutes, we're gonna have an international PK, 10 p.m. Hey love, don't you buy me nothing, 'cause I am feeling one thing. Your lips on my simple, that's a merry, merry Christmas. It's the most beautiful time of year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'll be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be, yes guys, share the live. Power taps tayo. Naku, bumaba tayo ng rank 19. Ang bilis talaga. Ang bilis talaga. Under the mistletoe, hey, with you, shawty with you.
Ano? Kamusta?
Hi, Ate Jo.
Kamusta ka?
Okay lang.
Mag-end ako ng mga 10. PK mo di ba ngayon?
PK ako.
Ganda mo naman.
Tayo ng gloves, Ate Jo.
Ah, sige, sige. 5 minutes? Sabi 5 minutes daw.
Oo. Meron na bang bagong PK?
Bagong PK?
5 minutes, 5 minutes.
Ah, sige, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Sige, sige, sige.
Kasi ayan. Okay.
At
Kamusta ka
teacher?
naman, Jonah? Yeah, so sa lahat ng mga viewers natin na gustong mag-collect, help ako. Just be the MVP or the top 1 gifter. Kahit hindi po kayo masyadong magbigay, and then we can do this. And yes, guys, let's refrain from mentioning muna yung mga gifters natin. Maraming salamat. Hello, guys. Ate Jo, kamusta ka naman?
Okay lang. Gumala kami ng kids ko kanina.
Wow.
Sobrang pagod.
Kasama ko yung anak ko si Angel kanina sa aking charity. So, pares kaming pagod or look. Boy Basag! Hello!
May pinuntahan pala siya kanina, guys.
Ate Jo, may request ka ba? Anong gusto mong song?
Wala, hindi ako prepare sa request. Wait lang.
Sige, kahit guys! Sir Aldin, thank you so much! Salamat po for
Ano guys, request niya dali.
volunteering
Thank you po
kanina.
sa me, guys. Joey, thank you. Ate Joey.
Okay. So, sa mga gusto pong mag-MVP, yes, pwede po kayo mag-gift. Tapos kapag kayo po yung naging number 1, makakapag-gloves tayo. Collect lang tayo hanggang 9:55. Ganyan. Or kahit mga lang, ilang round lang to, okay na yun siguro.
Magsala na lang daw.
Matsala. Sige. May battle po kayo na.
Uy, ba't parang meron ng coins? Nagkakuha ka ng coins? Ate Sika?
Let's go, guys. Sige, kanta lang ako.
7. Last 3.
Guys, wag po tayo pupunta sa mga stream ng mga gifters natin, ha? It's okay. If one nila pumunta, wag po tayong mangungulit. Thank you po. Yeah, let's respect all our viewers and gifters. Thank you.
Yun po. Okay na TikTok ka. Wala na. Yan!
Kanta muna tayo na
Ala, thank
collect lang tayo
God.
ng gloves, ha?
Thank God, Ate Sika.
What minute to get MVP? Just be the first gifter po, the number 1. Always Daniel Caesar ba to? Hi, Ma'am Jehan, Sir Christopher.
Mars request
Always
for
Daniel
word.
ba?
Sige, mamaya. Hindi niya narinig.
Okay. Ang tadhana. Ayan na si Ma'am Divina, oh. Sadyang mapaglaro. Salamat po. Sa di inaasahan, akala mo lahat ay planado. Bagi sa akin, paano yan dito? Let's go, Power Taps. Gurong na dito, ako ay matututo. Ang buhay ay parang akos, wag kang mabadalos-dalos. Tapangan lang at huwag matakot. Magtiwala, kaya salamat sa lahat ng mga nangyari. Natutunan ako ayusin ang aking sarili. Wala naman akong mapabuti. Sana balang araw meron na may pa mamalaki. Kaya salamat, salamat, salamat sa kanya. Salamat, salamat, salamat sa iyo. Salamat, salamat, salamat sa lahat. Oh, oh, masalamat. Thank you po. Hey guys, medyo kakagising ko lang talaga. Galing tayo ng charity, Ma'am Divina. Sana boosting gloves po ang pumasok.
Boosting and be missed.
Parang pagod. Opo, medyo pagod lang tayo this week. Kasi sa everyday ako may ginagawa. Hindi ko na rin talaga nahabol itong weekly ranking. But let's try pa rin. Ma'am Divina, after this round po, may kita po natin since kayo yung number 1, if you're gonna receive a magic mist or a boosting gloves. Then yung boosting gloves po, pwede natin gamitin mamaya per round. Since it's 3 rounds of 5 minutes, pwedeng kahit isa-isa lang. Or kung sino po yung may boosting gloves. Thank you. Yung boosting gloves po, Ma'am Divina, may kita nyo po siya mamaya kapag nasa exclusive po siya. Rhea, sayang. Hi, Danny boy.
Ngayon po, ngayon.
Ayan, tingnan natin if magkakaroon ng boosting gloves si Ma'am Divina. Since MVP natin, hi BBQ, welcome. Sana yung mga viewers natin, magtapo kayo ng marami. Ayun, nakakuha si Ma'am. One down. Meron na po kayong 1 gloves, Ma'am Divina. Ayan. Kahit magka 3 gloves lang tayo or 5 gloves, okay na yun. May isa na tayo, guys. Let's list.
10 p.m.
And ang PK natin mamaya. Sige,
At
titignan.
saktong 10 ba?
Pa?
Saktong 10.
Hindi naman. Kahit mga 9:55 lang po, ate.
9:55.
Ma'am Divina, meron na tayong isa. Okay. Kanta lang tayo. Guys, share the live. Pa 1,000 shares tayo. Share nyo na to sa mga TikTok friends nyo para mamaya ready na tayo. Ate Jonah, thank you ulit
Namimiss nga ako ito eh.
Salamat po. Ilang rounds ba, right? 3 rounds of So sa mga may natitirang gloves, bagsak po natin siya mamaya sa 3 rounds. Okay, and then kantahin lang natin yung Sorry guys, medyo paus ako pagod talaga ang mama nyo. Pero tatry kong makasurvive ng 11 tonight. Ayan, hello Sir Kiss, salamat. Kung malakas ang kalaban, naka-prepare yon. Oo. Paano po ulit yung boosting gloves? Ito yung times 2, times 3, times 4, times 5. So kapag gusto nyo pong magka-boosting gloves para ilaban po ako later, kailangan po, anong tawag dito? Kailangan po mag-MVP po kayo sa kada rounds natin tonight. So kagaya po ni Ma'am Divina, siya yung number 1 kasi nagbagsak po siya ng around 700. Basta mag-number 1 po, may chance maka-boosting gloves every round. Diba, Ate Jo?
Yes, wag lang dapat naka-private yung account kasi kahit naman hindi niya makukuha yung boosting pag naka-private yung account. Dapat
So,
lang
ipapagsak natin ang gloves sa 2 times or sa 3 times na gift. So, yung 2 times and 3 times, usually, pumapasok siya kapag na-hit natin yung goal. Like 17 roses or may nakalagay doon, gifter target. And then, yung times 2 and times 3, nagsa-start po siya around 2 minutes and 30 seconds left na lang or so kalahati. And so, kapag gusto nyo po, pag medyo malaki yung agwat natin sa kalaban, pwede po tayo mag-drop doon sa times 2 or times 3. And then, pinaka-okay po magbagsak kapag last mga 10 seconds na. Yes. So, sige. Kantahin natin itong Sarah. Sana nakikita pag may booster ka, lalabas po yan. Kunwari sa Ma'am Divina, sinan niya yung booster, may makita kayo dito banda sa top left na gloves. Yes. Makakakuha lang po kayo ng gloves kapag kayo po yung MVP this round.
Sa gift.
Oo, sa gift exclusive po.
Sa gift exclusive, sa tabi po nun, pindutin nyo lang po nun tapos meron doon makikita po kayong doon, boosting gloves. Dadrop nyo lang po yun, Ma'am Divina.
Tahin ko lang tong request ni Mil. Yung tabi po na exclusive. Ma'am Divina, nakikita nyo po. Mamaya po natin gamitin, ha? Ito, kantahin ko lang ito as requested. Ate Jo, salamat sa pag-guide sa amin. Okay, let's do this. A song from Danielle Caesar.
Ayan, mga
Baby, baby, kagaya nito, may times 3. There will always be, kapag may 10 nag-gift, ma-unlock yung times 3. Sige, practice tayo. right where you left it. And just maybe, apat na guys. Enough time will pass. We look back again and laugh. And maybe I'm wrong for writing this song. Ito, times 3, magsa-start siya within, kapag 2 minutes and 30 seconds na lang siya. 10 p.m. po. And I'll be here, 'cause we both know how it goes. I don't want things to change. I pray they say the same. I'm always. And I don't care if you're with somebody else. I give you time and space. Just know I'm not a phase. I'm always wait. Always wait. I'm always Opo, mamayang 10 p.m. po tayo ha. Pretty lady. Ayan na, may kita nyo naka times 3 gifting points. Used to walk with me. This is the best time magbagsak. Down below a street. As of now, MVP natin si Chauffeur. And I still remember the fuss and the fight and the love and the lying. So fine, always be mine. And maybe I'm wrong. Hello, Drew, for writing this song. Thank you, everyone. Dumadami na tayo. Losing my head over you. Let's go, tappers. And I'll be here, 'cause we both know how it goes. I don't want things to change. I pray they say the same. Always. Nagkakolek lang po tayo ng gloves. Mamaya pa po ha. I don't care if you're with somebody else. I give you time. Thank you, Coco Crunch. Just know I'm not a phase. I'm always. Yeah, let's see if magkakaroon ng boosting gloves si Coco Crunch or later PK. Tingnan natin. Meron! Meron ka na po, Coco Crunch, for later PK. Once again, you're gonna find po the boosting glove sa exclusive gifts. So, pag-gift exclusive. Yes. Alam nyo na guys ha, kung paano siya nangyayari. So, makikita nyo, on the first minute, meron doon nakalagay parang gift goal. And then, sa gift goal, kailangan natin ma-achieve, kunwari, 10 gifters or ilang gantong roses para times 3. Kapag nag-start po yung times 2, times 3, dun mas maganda po ibagsak yung glove para mag-times 5 yung points natin. Ilang round po yung game nyo? 3 rounds po pag international PK. Yes. Salamat po. Inter PK tayo, alas 10 pa naman. Nagko-collect lang tayo ng gloves para more power tayo mamaya. Kagaya nito, 4 minutes. Again.
Kaya pag tinanong niyo
Yung song. Kailan po? Tonight na. Ano bang mga... Ate Joanna, may request ka ba? Or sa mga subscribers?
Where do broken hearts goes?
Where do broken hearts? Sige, wait lang. Alam ko ba to? Whitney Houston. Ayan. Sige, i-wait natin ha. Yung... let's see.
Kakauwi lang daw ng Jerry.
Ma'am Divina, magandang salamat sa lahat ng mga nandito, sa mga Team Ricico, sa mga viewers ko na nagtatap. 352,000 na tayo guys. 1 million sana tayo bago tayo mag-start ng PK. Once again, share my live. You can also subscribe by clicking here on your lower left subscribe button. Or power taps po, malaking tulong mamaya sa mga viewers natin na hindi po makaka-gift. Pindutin nyo lang po ng marami yung screen. It will really help a lot now. Yes. So, kantahin lang natin tong Where Do Broken Hearts Go? Try natin, ha?
Hindi nakapunta sa audience.
Yes. So, ito. Meron na ba tayong goal? Intayin natin kung ilang minutes yung goal. Parang nasa 3 minutes yata siya. Yes. PK po tayo, 10 p.m. So, once again, nagko-collect tayo ng gloves. Kung sino po yung mag-number 1 this round, yun po ang magkakaroon ng chance magka-glove or it's either miss. Salamat po. Thank you to my team Ricey. Ma'am Jen A is here. Ayan na, collect na tayo ng gloves. Meron pa tayong 20 minutes. Pretty mo naman kahit pagod. Thank you. And oh, it's been some time, but there's something on my mind. Ma'am Jen A, thank you. See, I haven't been the same since that cold November day. We said, ayan na, kagaya nito. Nag-start na ang goal. Was an empty place. Shasha pa, only thing I learned. Times 2 gifting. Kapag nag-start po ang times 2, doon natin ibagsak ang gloves. So here I am. Can you please tell me, where do broken hearts go? Can they find their way home? Back to the open arms of a love that's waiting there.
Kumain nyo ng
And
paputukan.
if some, eto na, start na ang times 2. Kapag nag-start na siya, ibabagsak natin yung glove, ha? Love you. I look in your eyes, and I know that you still care for me. 39, 38 seconds ang times 2 points.
Yung African version.
So gets po ba natin kung paano ang strategy natin mamaya?
Bukas pa yun magla-live si
I've
Best.
been around enough to know
Wala siya ngayon na
that dreams don't turn to gold, and that there is no easy way. No, you just can run away. And what we have is so much more than we ever had before. And no matter how I try, you're always on my mind. So here I am, and can you please tell me, where do broken hearts go? Can they find their way home? Back to the open arms of a love that's waiting there. 30 seconds. The best time kapag may bala pa po tayo within the last 10 seconds ng fight. Ways love you. I look in your eyes, and I know that you still care for me. Welcome everyone. Magandang gabi. Now that I feel you, I'll never let you go. When is your battle tonight po? 10 p.m. po. In 20 minutes. Uy, si Monster Mike nandito. Welcome. Magandang gabi. Good evening. Where do... Nakakuha po si ma'am? Si Ma'am Jen, may boosting gloves na. Ilan na po tayo? 3? Yes, magsa-start tayo in 18 minutes. Love is waiting there. And if somebody loves you... Okay, kaya pa natin to guys. Kahit mga 6 lang. Look in your eyes, and I know that you still care. Where do broken hearts go? Can they find their way home? Back to the old, thank you po.
Magre-relive
Of
ako
a
ng mga...
love that's waiting there. And if somebody loves you, won't they always? Ma'am Jen A po, 3 rounds as per TikTok. Look in your eyes. Under po kasi ako ng ng TikTok. Talagang sila naghahawak. So, 3 rounds for me. So once again guys, while we're doing po, nagko-collect lang po tayo ng gloves. How many gloves po? 3 gloves na po meron kami, Ma'am Jen. And then ito po, nagko-collect lang po ako till 9:50.
6 gloves.
Para may 5 minutes po akong magtawag. Once again guys, we need a lot. Opo, pero hindi na po ako aabot. Sobrang busy ko po kasi talaga this week. Ma'am, oh, thank you. Ma'am Divina, salamat. Ma'am Jonah, salamat Ate Jonah, Mary Cake siya. Thank you talaga. Sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon na present ng PK ko, hindi man ako nakakapag-live lately dahil sobrang busy. But thank you kasi nandito pa rin kayo guys. Lalo na etong PK hindi ko masyado na-promote kasi ngarag na din talaga ako.
Thank you, Jasmine.
But thank you po. Salamat. Yes. So, ano po bang mga moderator, be ready kasi malakas ang kalaban. Feeling ko nga malakas ang Vietnam. Kasi Vietnam yun eh. So, ako, pag-pray na lang ako nakita ko, win or lose, okay lang. At least lumaban pa rin tayo. Philippines, we are resilient, diba? Kaya natin yan. Malakas sila, pero malay nyo naman, mas malakas ang Pilipinas sa power tops. Imagine nyo, ang top, may points yan. So, ayun na guys, speed challenge. So once again, kapag nagsa-start ito, mag-go dito para ma-unlock ang times 3. And then, ayan, kunwari ito, gifter target natin is 10. So kailangan natin ng 10 gifters para ma-unlock ang times 2 times 3. Kapag nag-start ang times 2 times 3, bagsak tayo ng gloves. Ganyan. Oo. So ano po bang mga request natin? Sige, alawin ko muna kayo guys for a bit.
Eto, maretry mo to.
Ano yan?
If the feeling is gone.
Hindi ko alam yung if the feeling is gone eh.
Linis, hindi niya alam. Wide awake.
Iba po. Yes, papaportal ako mamaya. Sabay-sabay ba na 3 gloves kailangan? Hindi naman po. Kung makakolekt tayo ng 6, 2. Kung sino po yung may mga gloves. Ayan, with you. Sige, Shaffer. Kantahin ka na lang muna itong.
Hindi niya alam. Hindi niya alam yung ano.
Sige. Wait lang po Kantahin ko lang to guys. Ito na times 3 gifting points. Pag nakita nyong may seconds na siya, start na po siya. So, collect lang tayo ng gloves. Kung sino po mag-MVP, may chance. Or the number 1. I need you, boo. Importante daw po ang snipe.
Ate ka yan.
Sige, boo. Sana may mga snipers tayo. Ang snipe po is the last 10 seconds or last 30 seconds. I need you, boo. I gotta see you, boo. And the hearts all over the world tonight. Say the hearts all over the world. Good evening, po. Hey, little mama. Oh, thank you. Hot little figure. Yes, thank you, not kid. I'm so glad to be yours. You're a class of your own. And oh, little kitty, when you talk to me, I swear the whole world's out. You must be haunted. I'm so glad that you're mine. You are one of thinking of Kim and everyone means me. What I'm into you and together, baby. There is nothing we won't do. Cause if I got you, I don't need money, I don't need cars. Girl, you're my own. And I'm into you and girl, what else would do? Cause with every kiss and every hug, you make me. Let's go toppers, malapit na tayo. I know I can't be the only one. I bet this heart's all over the world tonight. With the love of my life, who feel what I feel when I Chiclet, thank you for subscribing. Once again, you can subscribe guys by clicking the subscribe button on your lower left. Thank you gifters, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Oh girl. Ito, pag 8-7, ito best time to snipe for later. Left hand, you like Jordans on a Saturday. I gotta have you when I cannot wait. And hey little shawty, say you care for me. Let's see. If not, Kim is gonna have a boosting gloves.
Meron?
Not Kim, I hope you could stay and support. Yes, meron. Not Kim, can I ask for a favor? Can you stay until 10 p.m. in my live? For my PK kasi got one boosting glove. I'm gonna have an international PK. Oh, it's beneficial. Paloma, thank you for subscribing. You make me. Thank you for the gifts, guys, and the support. Team Mary C, di ba malakas tayo? Malakas tayo. Better stars all over the world. Tap, tap, guys. With the love of their life. Feel what I feel when I... Meron na tayong 4 gloves po, ano?
Saka nakatulog ka, no?
We have 4 gloves as of now. Will you think you not came once again? We're now on our way to our 5th glove. And I will never try to deny that you want my whole life. Cause if you ever let me go, I would die. I don't need another woman. I just need you all or nothing. Cause if I got that, then I'll be straight. Baby, you're the best part of mine. time. I know what time po. It's 10 p.m. It's in 11 minutes. So last round after this one. Oh, and baby, no. Every kiss. Online na po ba si opponent? Fall in love and now I know I can't be the only one. I bet there's eyes all over the world tonight with a lover they like will feel what I feel when I'm with you, with you, with you, with you, with you. Yeah, with you, with you, with you, with you, with you. Oh, with you. Ito na. Like this. The speed challenge is gonna start like midway of the PK. With you, with you, with you, with you, with you. Yeah. Yes. So, like ito. So, practice lang tayo for our PK later. Online na siya. Okay. Sige. Mamaya pa naman 10 p.m. So, as you can see, kapag na-achieve natin, if we achieve the goal, guys, we're gonna have times 3. Ito. Starting soon. And then, yeah. Let's see who's gonna be the MVP of this round.
Very good. Target reach na po.
So, guys, do you have any song requests that you would like? Okay. Let's look at the song request. And to all our new subscribers, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. We now have 228 subscribers. Our goal tonight is speak English, right? I am speaking English as of now. Guys, please no mentioning. Hello, I. Thank you, I. Please no mentioning gifters po. They're gonna come if they wanted to support, all right? So let's just wait for them if you. Okay. Thank you, guys. Okay. Let's sing Reflection as requested. Okay. Let's go. Kaya natin to. After this round, last round na tayo. Then, yes, 9 minutes left to go. Okay, Mulan. Hello, guys. So, let's try to sing this song. Malapit na mag-start siya. Boost na natin, Sir Ans. Thank you. Laban para sa boosting gloves. Look at me. You may think you see who I really am, but you never know me. Every day is as if I play upon 600 taps. Let's go 1 million, guys. Para perfecto mamaya. 2,000 viewers. 3 rounds? Yes po, Sir James. 3 rounds, 10 p.m. But I cannot fool my. Sa mga magsusupport, thank you na po agad. Sa mga hindi pa, let's go, guys. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? When will my reflection show who I am inside? I am now in a world where I have to hide my heart and what I believed in, but somehow I will show the world what's inside my heart and be loved for who I am. Let's go, guys. Who is that girl? See, staring straight back at me. Why is my reflection? Let's see if I is gonna get the boosting glove. Mom, I thank you for being the MVP. Let's see if my boosting glove. Meron! Let's go for the last round, guys. Thank you. It's okay, Monster Mind. We understand. Thank you so much. Win or lose, kaya yan. And last round na tayo, guys, kasi magsa-start na po tayo. Ma'am Irish, thank you. Sana maka-boosting glove si Ma'am Irish. That burns with a need to know the reason why. Let's go, tiwala lang. What must we all conceal? What we think, how we feel. Yes, we're gonna start na rin in a few minutes. The main PK, the international. Ma'am Irish, thank you. As of now, you're the MVP. I hope you get a boosting love. Okay, once again guys, sige. Last demo po tayo. As you can see, ito, gifting target, 3,800. Okay lang kung hindi natin yan makuha. Or ito, or I love you times 20 daw para ma-reach siya. But later, kung ano yung nakalagay, yun po yung need natin i-fulfill, like the goals, for us to unlock times 2 and times 3 points. And then, if na-unlock natin siya, times 2 and times 3, kapag nakalagay na po doon, times 2, times 3 gifting points, Mamay, thank you! Pero 5 minutes pa po yung main PK ko, ha? Sana meron pa po kayo. Like this, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Mom, 1! Target reach! Alright, we did it! Thank you. So, practice lang to. Eto, times 2, gifting soon. Magsa-start siya in the next 30 minutes. It's gonna start within the next 30 minutes. Thank you so much, Speak English, right? I am. Ano ba? I'm trying kasi meron din tayong Tagalog viewers. Wait lang, nahati ako. So, eto, 9-7 seconds. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Ito na, magsa-start na siya. Let's go. Ayan na, salamat. Magsa-start na ba siya in a few? Salamat po. Yes. Ma'am Jen, last round ito, 2 minutes, and then we're gonna start. Na Ma'am Jonna, thank you so much, ha.
Start na siya.
Ma'am Kim, thank you. Salamat. Kung isusupport niyo po ako mamaya. Thank you so much. Ma'am Kim, salamat na po agad, Ma'am Irish, thank you. Sir Ans, dapat daw Vietnam. Naku, hindi ako nakapag-practice. Yes, guys, please don't pressure. I'm trying naman po i-mix. Yes. So, may PK, yes po. 3 minutes.
Minutes na lang, 3 minutes.
So, last round na din po. Kinakabahan din ako, pero yeah, kaya natin to. 1 minute na lang, and then our main PK is gonna start na po in 3 minutes. Ma'am Kim, thank you po for being here. I know ngayon lang po kayo napunta, but grabe yung support. Grabe. Lumalakas yung loob ko. Salamat po. Thank you guys so much. Yes. So, last glove na lang po i-collect natin. Sana glove to. 1 minute. And then we're gonna start the PK. Ma'am Irish, thank you. Salamat. 3 minutes na lang po, sakto. 50 seconds. Salamat po.